All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about the much anticipated Tesla phone and when it might actually hit the market. 1. No official launch date yet. As of now, there's no confirmed release date for the Tesla phone. Tesla has not officially announced a mobile device, despite the rumors floating around. 2. Elon Musk's take. Elon Musk has addressed the rumors, saying that while Tesla could potentially create a smartphone, it's not something the company plans to do unless necessary. So for now, it's not on the horizon. 3. Tesla Pi phone rumors. There have been speculations about a Tesla Pi phone coming in December 2024, but these claims have been debunked by fact checkers. Tesla has not confirmed any plans to release a phone this year. 4. The bottom line. While the idea of a Tesla phone has sparked interest, it's all just speculation for now. If Tesla ever does release a phone, it might be a while before we see it. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.